Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a file in Google Drive. So if you think a file is important, you can start them and make them to go to easily find. When you click on this, the star files will appear here. So I'm going how show you how to do that. So first you need to find the file that you want to start. So for example, I want to start this file. So what you need to do is right click on the files and then you'll find the add to start option. Just click on that and the file has been added to start. So this feature or this step is also or you can do this also in with the folder. You can also start the folder in your Google Drive. For example, I want to start this folder, so just right click and then you'll find the add to start option. Just click on that and then you'll find the files and folder in the start option or start menu at the left panel. So here is the star files and folder in my Google Drive. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can start files or folder in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.